The woman showed her boyfriend the new jumper that she bought at the shops today. The woman showed her friend the message she received from her husband. The boy showed his mum his tooth that fell out. The movie posters showed all the movies that were going to be coming out soon. The nurse showed her ID to the old man when she visited him. The golf instructor showed the woman how to putt the golf ball. The man showed you the thumbs up sign. The man showed you the thumbs down sign to express dislike. The woman on the right showed her friend a picture of her new house. The woman showed you the stop sign. The doctor showed the X-ray to the patient. The rich man showed the poor man how much money he had. The man showed his love for his girlfriend by giving her a bunch of flowers. The woman showed you her new phone.